Gratitude is the name of focusing on what's good in our lives and being thankful for everything we possess or get. Psychologists find that, over time, feeling grateful boosts happiness and fosters both physical and psychological health, even among those already struggling with mental health problems. Neuroscientists are of the view that being grateful makes our brain's health better. Hence, our physical health improves dramatically. There is a hormone dopamine which is released in our brain whenever we get happy. It's a neurohormone. The more amount of dopamine we have, the happier we are, while the low level of dopamine means adverse physical and psychological impacts. Anxiety and depression lessen dopamine level. Resultantly, we feel physically weaker. Low level of dopamine makes us tired and feel disappointed. Another chemical or hormone is connected with our mental and physical health, that is serotonin. It is produced in neurons, right in the middle of the brainstem, when we become happy and satisfied. According to a research of the Harvard Medical School, serotonin acts on different parts of the brain to influence a variety of physical functions and psychological behaviors, like memory, fear, the stress response, digestion, sexuality, addiction, sleep, body temperature, and breathing. Gratitude gives us a feeling of euphoria which boosts serotonin, but on the other hand, low levels of serotonin are linked to depression and mental illness. The third hormone, which is connected with our sadness and happiness, is cortisol. It is a primary stress hormone, increases anxiety, depression, headache, sleep disorder, memory damage, and suppresses digestive system in our bodies. This hormone becomes imbalanced and increases whenever we get unhappy, worried, or anxious. God has blessed us with so many things, like health, wealth, family relations, friends, place to live, food to eat, etc. We need to be grateful, and only this way we can lead happy, healthy, and successful life.